decided to stop at the salon on this after snowy day, which is not that bad outside. I mean, not where I'm located. It's not that bad. They got the sidewalks and stuff cleared out. I mean, roads look pretty good, but like them backhand streets and stuff like that, they look crazy. But anyways, I decided to stop at the salon and make sure the heat was on, which it say it's on, but it's not giving on. And then we have this old, I don't even know what this is. I'm just gonna stop touching this thing because it's an old heater, I guess. I don't even understand it. But every time I click this to turn it on, it'll turn on, but then it just, I don't know, it'll cut back off. But whatever, I don't know. This is just little small things. Like, I end up getting 141 pieces of these floors to see, not to see, but to actually do my floors this color. This is just one I brought in, but the rest will come. It's so cold outside. And then I brought this in a couple days ago, which is super huge. It's really big. And I am waiting on all the rest of my stuff to come, but I'm still anticipating on taking this bathroom out because I just feel like I can do more with this not here, and I already got a bathroom in the back. So, I mean, it was a good idea for customers, you know, if they had to use the restroom or whatever, but really, who wants a restroom on their floor plan? Like, we doing business up here. I don't want nobody using the bathroom, and then we have to smell you after you get done in case you have to make a number 2 or something. So I'm just like not with it at all. It's pointless, and it's uneven, and it just, I don't know, this whole setup just gives me anxiety. But it's only just because, like, it's just an add-on. It just looks kind of crazy, but this area, initially this was going to be my office area just so I can have somewhere to do business when I do get new clients coming in. I mean, not new clients, but new stylists, makeup artists, and any other things I decide to put in here and in the back, because I haven't came up with a plan on the back yet, but I plan on using it. I just don't know what I'm gonna do back there as far as that. But anyways, I planned on making this an office space, but now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I'm just gonna put my shampoo bowl, like it's gonna be my whole wash station area or whatever. Because if I do decide, or when I do decide to do something with the back, I just don't feel like taking that stuff from back there. And this was like a kitchenette, as you can see. It have a refrigerator in here because they don't know what to do with this refrigerator yet, but I am planning on getting rid of it. There's my car. And that's my boyfriend getting ready to bring in the rest of the floors. Hello. But anyways, as I said before, I'm probably gonna make that a shampoo station. Shampoos and hair dryer.